Here I have Crosscall Core M5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it, and you can hide notifications. You can hide only sound from notifications, or you can disable visuals and sounds, or you can customize it here for yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.